Hi, this is your instructor Julia Grab. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a line chart which typically shows trends over time. So we're going to select here from our Apple Sales Data sheet cells A4 to F8. That's going to be the data we're going to pull into our line chart. Then under Insert, click on Insert Line Chart, and we're going to use the line chart with markers. Let's go ahead and click on that. Right away, we're going to move it to another sheet. So click New Sheet, and we're going to name this sheet Sales Trends by Variety. And click OK. From the quick layout, we're going to select the first layout option. And let's update the title. Triple clicking should select it all to Sales Trends by Variety. And right away, clicking on that solid line or using Control A, we're going to increase the font size to 24 points, bold. We will update all of the title axes here and data to 14 points, bold. We're going to rename the axes titles here on the secondary axes to sales in kilograms. And selecting all of that, so Control A, let's increase the size to 14 points and bolding. And finally, we'll bold and increase the font size of our legend to 12 points. Under the Format tab, we have the option to select different parts of our chart here. So we're going to Format Selection. So go ahead and click on that under the Format tab, Format Selection, and then we're going to choose the plot area. You should see that will highlight the area just around where our line chart is being shown. Now we're going to fill this with blue-gray text to lighter 60%. Let's now select the chart area, and we'll fill this with the blue-gray text to darker 25%. And now we're going to turn all of our header text colors here, the text colors, not the background colors, to white. So once you select it once, it's pretty easy to click through and select it for all of the elements on the chart. Go ahead and save your work, and we'll see you in the next video.